Protesters interrupted President Obama's speech in Boston. It was a healthcare rally. They interrupted with arguments about the Keystone XL pipeline. They were against the pipeline. Here's what happened.
Healthcare.
Stop climate change for our generation. Stop the pipeline. Mr. President.
Okay. Okay. We're talking about healthcare today, but we will. No. That's okay. That is the wrong rally. We had the climate change rally back in the summer.
So right now, this is a good opportunity, actually. Hecklers come up. Sometimes there's hecklers. What can you do? This is an interesting moment to talk about the Keystone XL pipeline because 2/3 of Americans support the Keystone XL pipeline, which is an extension to the Keystone pipeline, according to a poll last month by the Pew Research Center. How many really know much about it in their support is a very different question, I think, Lewis, and that's not something that the poll really was able to inform us about.
Unfortunately, you're right, yeah.
Over 300 pipeline spills occurred just in North Dakota in the last year without public notification. There are allegations of corruption within the development of the Keystone XL pipeline. And I just, when I think about this, Lewis, we hear there's a common refrain when somebody wants to put together a new drilling pipeline, a new open up drilling in Anwar, for example, focus on fossil fuels. You'll hear progressives or those in favor of renewable energy say, why don't we just start now and put money into alternative and renewable sources of energy? And often the refrain is, we need to start this now with the fossil fuels, with Anwar or with the Keystone XL, because it takes a long time to develop those sources of alternative energy. And then when you look at the data, Lewis, and you look at the fact that the extension to the Keystone pipeline, Keystone XL, was proposed in 2008, and we are now 2 months from 2014, is it that much faster to just focus on the fossil fuels? Or maybe just imagine we do nothing different with existing oil pipelines and fossil fuel pipelines, but just put the time and money that went into Keystone XL into renewable energy. What a difference that could have made.
I know it's really hard to think about. I mean, is it really all just about penny pinching and stalling and delaying and huge profits? Because it seems like if you think about it, the profit is really in alternate energy, and how much money is really being saved in the long run by doing this type of thing.
Yeah.
I guess I need some big oil exec to explain it to me because I'm very confused.
Yeah, I don't know. President George W. Bush had the opportunity to be the energy president. He chose not to, didn't really seem to care about that. President Obama has done a few things, but there are opportunities in what's left of President Obama's second term to make a significant impact on energy, and I'm not particularly optimistic that he's going to do it.